So today I thought I'd share with you just a fun thing that I do in my house. I know several different people do different things with it, and I've tried different things, and this is the one that I like the most. As many of you may or may not know, I used to work in the music industry, and all throughout high school I worked for venues and promoted things, and so with that came lots of concert tickets, festival wristbands, backstage passes, all the trinkets. And for a while there, I had put stuff in a shadow box, and that worked for a little bit until it got too heavy and broke. And then I tried putting stuff in photo albums, and while I liked that, some of my items were a little bit larger than what a photo was. So then that got to be something that wasn't working either. So I want to say maybe 8 or 9 years ago, maybe longer, I switched over to making time capsules. So obviously it's just a large mason jar, nothing fancy, but it has the ability to hold so many things and so many memories. So all of those concert tickets, festival wristbands, backstage passes. If Dan and I have gone to museums, I'll put those in here, like the stubs, or if we've gone to a museum and we get like a little trinket or a sticker or something like that, instead of doing the postcards or the magnets or all the other things that people get, sometimes we'll just get little trinkets to put in here. But yeah, I mean, it's great because not only is it something that Dan and I can look at from time to time, but we can pass it on, and future generations, whenever that happens, can empty this guy out and see all the cool things that we've done. And same with Dan and I, we can kind of stroll down memory lane and think about all the stuff that we've done together or separately. And I mean, at this point we have at least 2 of these that are full, and we're about to start on our 3rd. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys something that I've done that I think is really fun and a great way to keep mementos without having them always scattered all over the place, or in a box in a closet or something like that. And it's a really fun bookshelf display because it's got all these different colors, and when people come over and they ask and they wonder what's in there, you can tell them. So yeah, have a great day.